be starting to mix all the ingredients dun sa dish ko ngayon. So, yung office mate ko before, yung husband niya, pinagluluto siya nito. So, dapat kasi dito, yung pork niya, iihaw. But then, since dito tayo sa condo, yung pork natin is minarinate natin siya kagabi. And after natin siyang minarinate, today, kung ano yung sauce niya, niluto ko lang din siya doon. Tapos, pinabayaan ko siyang magmantika. And then, I chop it. Chinap ko lang din siya. So, ang mga kailangan natin for today is this, ano na nga ito? Pipino. Then, we have this calamansi, chopped ceiling, and then this shredded, this is a shredded ginger. Okay, so this will be my mixing bowl. Another thing that we need is this onion. Okay, so we're gonna be putting our pork in our mixing bowl. I'll just put it all. Yan. So yummy. Lagay lang natin lahat. Yung pipino, chinap lang din natin yan ng manipis. So, after this, once na ilagay na natin lahat ng pork, this is a marinated pork, pero iba talaga yung sarap kapag inihaw yung pork eh. And then, masarap din dito yung maraming sibuyas. So, hindi kasi ako nakabili ng sibuyas, guys. So, konti lang yung sibuyas natin. Okay? After we put the pork, lagyan na natin yung sibuyas natin. Okay? Lagyan natin lahat. After we put that, this is what I love. Ginger. This one is calamansi. So I already squeeze the calamansi. 4 calamansi ito. So, lagyan natin siya. And then, last thing is this sili. Wow. We need to get a spoon. So, i-mix natin yung ating, wow. Kulay pa lang. Ang ganda-ganda na niya. Parang ang sarap ng kumain, guys. Mix natin ang ating food. Wow. Wow, this is so yummy and healthy and delicious, guys.